In the late 90s and early 2000s, there was so much happening on the University of Minnesota campus, and specifically in the health sciences. It was really a time of rebirth and strategic planning and growth. And there was this incredible desire to connect with the community and to help translate the important work that was happening here across all of the health sciences and make it more approachable to help people across Minnesota better understand the research and the learning that was happening here at the University of Minnesota. And so we were looking for models and ways to translate the research that was happening here. And one of the models that we found was something called the Mini Medical School, that was a program established out of the National Institutes of Health. And so we looked at that and brought it back to Minnesota and made it our own and launched the Mini Medical School. I think the Mini Medical School became an important way for a complicated institution, the University of Minnesota, and specifically the health sciences, to become more accessible to the community. And that's really important for the state. I mean, we're a land-grant institution. We serve the people of the state of Minnesota. And so it really was important for us to find ways to connect with the community in that way. And the Mini Medical School has sustained. They have, gone from phone lines and, large auditoriums to virtual format, to be able to serve more people, made it through a pandemic. And so it has continued to evolve to meet the community where they are. But it has been a way to continually translate the important work happening here across the professions, so from an interprofessional standpoint, and help individuals, citizens, become inspired by the work, understand the work, and want to invest in it. We're one of very few institutions across the country that has not only a medical school and nursing and pharmacy, but also has public health, has a school of dentistry and a college of veterinary medicine. And we have this phenomenal opportunity across all of the professions to be able to use the wisdom and knowledge and research and connections to learn more and to learn in new ways. And so Minnesota and the University of Minnesota is very uniquely positioned that way to benefit from a research and learning perspective, but also then the citizens of the state of Minnesota benefit as well.